You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, this one. I love it. It actually comes from French. Maybe that's why I like it. The French pronunciation is cajole. In English, it's cajole. It means to persuade someone to do something by sustaining flattery or coaxing. Cajole, to cajole somebody, convince him or her to do something by being really nice. Cajole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.